Jai Srimanarayana. 32nd sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mam hi Partha Vyapasritya Episyuhu Papayonayaha Striyo Vaisyaha Tadha Sudraha Tepi Yanti Param Gatim. Om. You don't worry if you cannot chant mantras. You don't worry if you can't perform yajnas. You don't worry if you cannot perform tapasyas. You don't worry if you do not have a direct access into the temples or all the great highly divine places. Irrespective of that, if you just take shelter in Sri Krishna Paramatma, if you just take refuge in Sri Krishna Paramatma, you will definitely able to attain supreme state, supreme destination. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall not worry about if I do not have any direct access to the places. I shall not worry about if I cannot chant mantras. I shall not worry about if I cannot perform yajnas. But Krishna, I shall definitely take shelter in you. I shall definitely take refuge in you. I shall keep thinking about you constantly, continuously. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta-krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 108th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogi Indra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying like this, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama Krishna, they are playing in Nandavrajam. While they are doing all that playful activities, all the gopikas are enjoying. And whenever Yashoda Devi gets mad at Krishna and say that, Krishna, stop doing like that, then Chappudu cheyakundu mani jankeyu narchinan algi povaganapudu. Krishna used to get mad at Yashoda Devi and used to go away from Yashoda Devi. Then Yashoda Devi immediately, please, my dear Krishna, please come, O Chinni Krishna, your friends are here, please come. Like that, when she calls, Krishna used to come immediately and sit in Yashoda Devi's lap and again do so many playful activities. While Krishna is doing like that, while Krishna is running around like that, all the ornaments that he is wearing used to make such a beautiful sounds. That scene is such a beautiful scene. And all the gopikas used to come to Yashoda Devi and complain about Krishna's playful activities, saying that Vatsan munchan kvachit asamaye krosha sanjataha saha steyam svadu atti. O Yashoda Devi, your son Krishna comes to our home and leaves all the calves to cows before even we milk the milk of cows. When we get mad at Krishna, when we shout at Krishna, he is laughing at us, he is giving a big smile to us. Like that, he is doing all these activities. So, Gopikas used to complain about Krishna to Yashoda Devi. What Krishna used to do is Vallabha Gruha Navanithamellanu Bhakshinchi Vochi Yerugani Bhangin Talli Gadisi Buvva Pettumavanuchun. Krishna used to go and steal all the butters from Gopikas' houses, eat full and come home, and as if nothing he did and as if he is very innocent, he used to act like that in front of Yashoda Devi, and he used to ask like, oh my dear mother, please feed me, like that. While asking Yashoda Devi, he used to go around, run around in the house. Like that, Sri Sukayogi Indra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 32nd sloka. Mamkhi Pardhavyapashritya Yepi syuhu papayo nayaha. Striyo vaisyaha tadha sudraha. Tepi yanti param gatim. Mamkhi Pardhavyapashritya Yepi syuhu papayo nayaha. Striyo vaisyaha tadha sudraha. Tepi yanti param gatim. Srimannarayana కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.